speaking with Anil Magnani. Talha Sarehwala, CFO of Parsoli Corp joins in now. Talha, afternoon. What's the call on the market for the next few weeks and what are you advising your clients to do now?
See, basically we are very much optimistic about the Indian stock market. In fact, when the index was 8,000, at that time we had predicted in one of the interviews that the Indian stock market would reach 16,000 level within 3 years span. But everybody knows that it went within 1.5 years time. So, and looking to the current scenario, when the agricultural sector has also joined the bandwagon of the Indian economic growth story, so the Indian economy, which is at the moment in the single digit 9.3, will be shooting towards the double digit very shortly. So looking to all these aspects, we are very much optimistic about the Indian stock market, and the Indian growth story will definitely be in its place till down the line 2 years of time. And we are very much advising our clients on the infrastructure side, that is power and capital goods companies. And basically our niche market is, we always advise the Sharia compliant stocks which has got a less leverage. The leverage of the company should be less than 33% of the total assets of the company, and the cash receivables of the company should be less than 45% of the total assets of the company. If we take into consideration these parameters, then we have got very large stock universe for our investors whom we advise on a day-to-day basis.
Talha, using those parameters, what are the top 3 or 4 holdings that you have in India?
Our company, doesn't hold those stocks, but yes, we have created an index just similar to Dow Jones Islamic Index and FTSE. We have our own PI index called Parsoli Islamic Equity Index, in which obviously we have got 40 stocks which clear all these parameters. And those are almost all same stocks which are in Nifty and Sensex, except the banking stock and some of the consumable goods which deal in tobacco or any of the hotel industry. Otherwise, and in BSE 500, we have a stock universe of more than 252 companies which clear these criteria. And these criteria are such, any analyst, if he looks into these criteria of debt to market cap and cash receivables, then these are one of the bluest of the blue chips of the companies.
What are your top 3 recommendations in India then from this universe?
We do recommend in the power sector, we recommend Reliance Energy, we recommend Gujarat Industrial Power. Then in infrastructure, we recommend GMR Infrastructure. And obviously there are top steel-based companies like Tata Steel, which is a very promising company in our stocks also.
I believe you like fertilizer as well, Talha. A couple of stocks, Deepak Fertilizers and Coromandel, I think, are your picks. Tell us why you like these two.
Yes, Coromandel Fertilizer and Deepak Fertilizer in the fertilizer sector. Since this, with the good rains all over India, the fertilizer companies are bound to move up. There are other companies like Chambal Fertilizer and RCF, but our picks, looking to the financials, we are very much optimistic on Deepak Fertilizer and Coromandel Fertilizers.
What's the call on Torrent Power?
Torrent Power is basically very good, and it is one of our new entrant company in our index also, because we regularly update on every quarterly basis, and this is the new company which we have taken in our PI index also. So as far as power sector is concerned, after Gujarat Industrial Power, Torrent Power is a very good company to hold on, and we advise our investors to hold for at least 2 to 3 months period.
You spoke about Gujarat Industrial Power. Talha, why do you like that stock and what kind of price targets would you have there?
Basically, we always advise that we don't predict any price target for the investors. Our call is basically on the fundamental aspects, not on the technical aspects, because our investors, basically, they are a very long-term based investors. We don't, because basically we are into Sharia compliant, we don't allow any sort of speculation or day trading. So looking to those points, Gujarat Industrial Power down the line, for if you hold for a period of minimum between 9 months to 12 months, then it is a very good company to hold on.